This is Shankar, and this is my third tutorial for Elise projects. Basically, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to export Elise project into Netbeans. Okay, so you have developed a game in Elise 3. You have created a 3D game. Now you want to distribute it. Now you want to export it to Java or to NetBeans. Okay. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna follow the simple steps to do that. Okay. So the main purpose is once you have created a game, you want to distribute it to people, you want to get it installed to another laptop or PC, and you want this to be played in another systems. Okay, so all you need for this is NetBeans installed in your system. So you have NetBeans latest version, which is 12.4, and then you need a plugin for that. So all you have to do is you have to go to okay, before that, just quickly I want to share with you, this is our channel Linux Unix AIX. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Okay, so you have to go to elise.org, and then you have to go to Elise, get Elise, and then you have to click on Elise 3 with NetBeans. Okay, so here you have to download this plugin. Okay, so I assume you have NetBeans installed in your system. So all you have to do is download the right plugin for your Elise. Okay, so here you have to check your Elise version. Okay, so for example, if your Elise is let me check. So if your Elise, let me check. If your Elise is version 3.6, so you have to download either this is the highest version of plugin that we have. So currently I have at least version 3.6, so I would download this. So you have to download this plugin. Okay, so just click on this and it will be downloaded. So once I have this download already with me. Okay, so if I it's present in my downloaded folder. Okay, so now all you have to do is go to NetBeans and go to tools, plugins. So here you have to add that plugin. Okay, so go to downloaded or add plugins. Okay, so from here you can browse that plugin. Okay, so it's there in my download folder, and there you go. This is the file that you would have downloaded. Okay, so once you open this, you see I have this information. Plugin is already installed. Okay, so you have to just click next, and then it will be installed in your NetBeans IDE. Okay, once that is installed, you can either verify like this also, like use installed plugins. So you should have this Elise 3 project wizard, so it will export A3P file Elise projects into NetBeans. Okay, yeah. So this is done. Once this is done, you are ready to import your Elise project into NetBeans. And once it is there in your NetBeans, you know how you can do that. You can export it through Java or jar file. You can create executables very easily from here. Okay. So let's just I was just checking the version. So all you have to go is just go to help and about. So it is version 3.6, so I can download 3.5 plugin. Okay, so I would just okay, let it be. So you have to go to NetBeans and then click on yeah. So you have to click on new project. Okay, so just click on new project, and then here you have to go to click on standard. Okay, and then you see here Java project from existing Elise project. You have to select this, click on next, and then here you have to browse the file that you have created in Elise. Okay, it should be a Elise 3P, Elise 3 project A3V file. Okay, So I was just checking out what is the latest file that I have, and it is there in the Thor back file. I would go to this, and then I have this. This is 29th file, so I'll go inside this. Okay, and then here I would choose the latest one. Let me check. Yeah, so let's just take this one, which is it seems to be latest. So you have to browse this file, and now you can give the project name. So I'll just let's say I would call it the game of my name, that is Thor. Okay, yeah, I would say Kingdom of Thor. Okay, so you have to click on finish. So if everything is right, and if your project does not have any errors, you can directly run it from here, and you can build. You can clean and build, and you can create the jar. So once it is here you can easily distribute your game. Okay. So I would wait for it to complete. So it may take some time. Yeah. So you can see here it is creating all the okay, so you can just click on yes here, so it won't open any files here. Okay, so your project should be opened very soon. Okay, see here opening projects. Yeah, so this is my game. So if you just click on plus, so it has all the programs. So if you go to source packages, so now your Alice project is converted into Java programs. Okay, so now you can easily debug it, or you can easily create executables and build it from here. You can make changes in the code also. It also provides the palettes which were there in the Alice software, Alice 3. You can you still have the option to drag and drop these do together and do in order which were there in Alice 3. Okay. So yeah, so this is the default package, and if you see, there will be one program which is the main program which has the arrow. So it provides the starter, okay, and it contains the main, see, public static void main. So this is the main program. So you can run it either from here or you can run it from here. Okay, so I'll just click on this, and if there is no error, you can directly run the game from here. Okay, so see here, I am running the program. Okay, so like if there is any error, it would be displayed here. See, so it's basically a warning, so you can ignore that. So it is doing all these things, created directory for the build, classes, creating classes. So because if you're running this for the first time, it would do all the things like it'll convert the Java programs into classes. Okay, so I would have to wait for some time. See, it is still running. Okay, so you can see here the program is run, and you can see the output is displayed here. Okay, so let me check. See here. Now you can see your game is ready. Okay, so I would assume it is taking some time because of the memory issues. Okay, so yeah, so let me just try and yeah. Okay, so it's working as expected. Okay, so yeah, so this is how, like, I wanted to share with you how you can run a program in NetBeans, how you can run a game developed in Alice 3 and export it to Java, and you know run it through NetBeans. Okay, so here still it is, everything is working as expected. It has the hammer, and then it has everything is enhanced. Is the arrow and the bow is also there, so it is working fine. So yeah, like that's all in this tutorial, and I hope this is the right way for you to create a games and distribute. So have fun, and thanks for watching.